Almighty, on this blessed day, make us among those who, when we know the truth, follow it, and when we see falsehood, we'll avoid it. Grant us the ability to see right from wrong. We ask you to have mercy on us. Make things easy and help us to do the things that will please you. There's no doubt that life can be incredibly hard at times. The sick, terminally ill, sadness, oppression, adversity. The list goes on. But the one thing we have is our ability to help someone in their time of need. Let them know that someone cares. What a difference it makes. Your real test comes when you do the right thing even when it is difficult to do so. You're able to keep a good attitude even though people are not treating you right, and when you can go the extra mile while nobody is watching. That is true character. Respect. We pray long and hard to the Almighty for things or people we want in our lives. At times He doesn't give it to us. Not because we don't deserve it. Because it doesn't deserve us. If we knew the future and what it holds, we would never be dissatisfied with the Almighty's decree. You'll be in trouble when you take your eyes off your own path and look over at someone else's. You'll get sucked into comparing your life with others and lose all sense of gratitude of the many blessings the Almighty has bestowed on you. Quick advice: don't linger on social media. One of the biggest challenges we face today is that of pride and arrogance. When we help someone, we feel good. But be wary of waiting for others to lavish praise on you. Don't become big-headed. By all means get a pat on your back, but the ultimate goal is to please the Almighty. Social media has many benefits, but the quality of our life has become largely dependent on what we post online and how it compares to everyone else in our feed. Don't let your value be attached to your online presence. It's unhealthy. Appreciate life. Stop the comparison. Some people especially love it when they hear something that makes someone look bad. They seem to thrive on it and can't wait to spread it. Even though the temptation to gossip is powerful, you will always win when you choose not to engage in it. Make that commitment today. Occupy yourself with improving your own character and conduct. Focus on your own faults rather than pointing fingers at others, which is what most of us are in the habit of doing. Aim to be a better version of yourself today than you were yesterday. The Almighty will help you. When you give others a sincere compliment, words of encouragement, or just a warm smile, you're making their world a little better. You're making them feel appreciated and valuable. You'll feel more fulfilled because you have done something to make someone else's life better.